Branded our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel Crew Cab pickup. On the exterior of this Ram, we have fully automatic halogen quad headlamps, power and heated door mirrors with turn signal indicators, and available four-wheel drive. On the inside, we have the Rebel themed interior with laser engraved accents, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, and push-to-start technology. The 8.4-inch LCD touchscreen has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Ram Rebel has less than 7,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.